How are you doing? Your paddle is upside down, Alfonso.
No, I know. I was looking at the church.
It's upside down.
I know.
Don't get closer because they're fishing, okay? So you turn and mira, go that way. See how easy it is to turn, Vicente? Better than the canoe, eh? You're gonna get used to it. Do you like it so far?
Yeah.
I think you need a longer one, Vicente.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it to you. Just stop by the launch place and I'm gonna give it to you. Go. No, go the other way. Go over there.
There's people fishing.
Wait, right there? Okay, come over here then. I'm gonna look for it for you. Okay, Fons? Okay, remember about the rocks. Go slow. Always come slow. Yes, boy. Yes, sir.
I already have the hang of it.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
It's easier than the canoe.
It's easier because it's just you and you are the master of your destiny. Okay, Fons, get over here.
It's very shallow over there. You can see the bottom.
I'm telling you, this is very shallow for you to learn. But I need to see you at the beginning now. I don't want you to go and go slow because there could be always a... That's the other way, Alfonso. Get over here. Okay, okay, you're getting the hang of it. Okay. I take it slow. You don't want to hit a rock. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Okay, Vicente. This one is gonna be better. That one you have to like kind of lift your arms too much. Hey, they go like this. Down. No, it's different. The design than this one. Okay. Almost, but no. Almost. Way better, eh? I know, Papa, I know. Okay, let's go, guys. Remember, I need to see you. Stay in this area here. Put the thing all the way and put yourself. A little bit. Watch out because your power might break it. Got it? You don't need me anymore. Not now. I almost broke my back. It's very stable, Vicente? Yeah. You see? Yeah, having fun.
Somebody else not carry these.
Don't get too close, Vicente. Well, I'm getting a hold of it. Are you okay, Fonzie? Yeah, you're feeling good? Watch out, don't collide. Vicente, you need to go out more because you're gonna hit the shore because the wind is gonna push you that way. Backwards. That's when they need to learn now. Yes, Vicente. Mira, Fonsi, when you're going in a place like that, you need to go out more. Back, Vicente, back. Now turn and go out. You need to go out further. But it's okay. You don't need to go there now. You see, when the wind is blowing that way, you need to come out more to go like this. You see, now you do it again, but you need to come out more, so the wind is not gonna blow you in. Oh, I think he knows what he's doing. Look at how he's moving. Go slow, Papa. You don't want to tip over. You see that, Fonzie? You come out more. I don't see a smile on your face, huh? You're having fun. Yes, sir. The thing here is I'm teaching them and I have never done it. Too many videos on YouTube. Keep going, Afonso. The wind and the tides moving him the other way, the way that he doesn't want to go. Okay, guys, very proud of the boys. It's a beautiful place here. Simmons Park. Very good place. Nice.